I'm really craving my favorite dinner, so we're gonna make it. It's referred to as many things. My love for it originally started with John and Vinny's. Their spicy fusilli, which is a fusilli pasta and a vodka sauce. And it is, oh, I can't even think about it. Before the whole blow up of it all, of like the Gigi Hadid pasta and everything. Can I just like put you down? I'm sorry. Loved by many, known as many things. Today we're making rigatoni alla vodka. It's one of my favorite meals to eat. Not one of my favorite meals to make because I haven't had the greatest of successes, but today we're making it correct because I'm gonna start my vodka pasta journey started with the one and only John and Vinny's. It is the best and it is to die, okay? And then they have it like it's been being added to every menu now, and then it blew up on TikTok like Gigi Hadid's spicy whatever they called it, but it's just rigatoni alla vodka. The John and Vinny's one is fusilli pasta, which I love, but I'm just craving a rigatoni. I've had it from many places. There's a place called the Henry. Theirs has like lemon and mint even. I don't know. It's just like really refreshing. That's good, but today I'm gonna make a traditional rigatoni alla vodka. I have not had the greatest of successes in the past, meaning it was good, it was just something was a little bit off, and I think I was burning the garlic. I'm not quite sure, but I was using a John and Vinny's copycat recipe, and actually it was like their recipe. They gave the recipe, and today I'm just gonna follow a more traditional rigatoni alla vodka recipe, and you're gonna make it with me. We're also gonna make espresso martinis because, duh. Okay, I put on a cute little dress to be Sydney Sweeney Nora Smith coated. We are making spicy vodka rigatoni alla vodka, if you will. My pasta is currently boiling. While it's boiling, we are gonna make an espresso martini. I'm gonna go get the ingredients. Okay, be right back. I lied. I actually refuse. I refuse to go get my tripod. So I already boiled my pasta, drained my pasta, and I reserved 1 cup of pasta water. In a large pan, we're gonna heat butter, garlic, and onions. So we need 4 tablespoons of butter. Every recipe that I've seen before uses olive oil to cook the garlic and the shallots. So this is a little interesting. We're gonna take our butter. We need 4 tablespoons. That's about half. Okay, well I hope that doesn't burn because that was my whole problem originally. And then I'm gonna add my garlic. And I'm gonna add, okay, this is about to escalate quicker than I thought. I'm using this pre-made onion because I really couldn't be bothered today. And I know how to pick and choose my battles. How much of this do we need? My hair just went in it. My hair just went in the onions. How much shallots? 4 shallots. And this is 91 servings, but it says, oh, half a cup is 1 medium onion. I don't know. We're just gonna put, I don't know. That seems like enough. I don't know, I'm panicking. It smells really good. So we have our garlic and our shallot. After about 3 to 5 minutes when everything's softened, we're gonna add in our tomato paste for 2 to 3 minutes. And how much tomato paste do we need? Half a cup. Now this is 5 ounces. This is basically half a cup. We're just gonna use all of it. You're only using the finest. I'm using Tito's. And I'll also use this for the espresso martini because we're opening it, okay? It's fine. The cute little heart. We have all that. Now we are going to, we're gonna add in our tomato paste. I'm using okay. I put almost all of it. I'll save some. Just give that a stir. This looks like someone's innards, respectfully. After that, we're gonna add in our vodka. I'm scared. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons. Is this gonna like blow up? We need 2. Let's stir it up. They're getting steamy. And then you just let that evaporate, and then we pour in our heavy cream. 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Okay, teaspoon, but I ain't gonna do nothing. 2 of these, that's kind of a lot. That's a lot. Oh my god, it smells like vodka sauce. Oh my god, it smells good. I also need to add in our chili flakes. I'm just adding this whole packet. Is that a lot? It's looking good. So we are going to stir until combined, and then we're gonna do salt and pepper. Oh my god, wait, is that it? I want some basil, but I'm just gonna put basil on the top. I think we did it. I fear we did it. This smells so good. I'm shook. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Put a little bit of salt. I mean, all these things are pretty salty as they are. You can always add more, but you can't take away. And I'll do some pepper. Me showing you pepper as if it's a revolutionary item. Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks so good. I'm so excited. It looks perfect. Oh my god, guys. This looks perfect. But it looks perfect. We're gonna add half a cup of the pasta water and 1 more tablespoon of butter. I'm gonna add 1 more tablespoon of butter in there. Half a cup of the reserved pasta water. It was looking really good until I added in the water. It was looking pretty perfect actually, but I know that's just to help the sauce stick to the pasta, so the cheese will help to thicken it too. Open our cheese. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup. Maybe we do a half. Just kidding, I'm gonna follow the recipe. We're gonna do 1/4 cup allegedly. Okay, we're gonna add the pasta. We're gonna add in the pasta. Here's my cooked and strained rigatoni. Oh my god, this looks so good. Should we try one? This is gonna burn my mouth, isn't it? Okay, definitely needs more salt, more chili flakes. Let's see. We're gonna make our espresso martini, and then we're gonna sit and eat. This shaker has done me dirty before, so I'm not gonna put this little lid on, okay? We're gonna get ice quietly, because I don't want the baby to stop eating. I like my martinis very cold. I don't measure anything, so we're putting in our shot of espresso. I'm gonna put some vodka. I don't know. And I'm using salted caramel Baileys. I'm so excited right now. I love Baileys. Okay. I'm kind of feeling a dash of cinnamon. I put a dash of cinnamon. Oh, this phone died. Sick. Cool. It smells so good. I should have put my glass in the freezer. Yeah. Yeah. Are we kidding? Okay, let's eat. Let's eat. Here is the finished product. Glorious. Yeah. This is so good. I'm happy. I'm gonna watch the bear now. Okay, so I've been looking for 2 poppy flavors for a while. One of them was the wild berry, I think it's called, because it apparently tasted like a melted blue raspberry icy, and that it did. Secondly, this orange cream, because my current obsession has been dreamsicle. So let's pop it open. I'm excited. Cheers. That tastes exactly like a sun-kissed. My hair's messing up my eyebrows. This tastes exactly like a sun-kissed. And it has only a hint a vanilla like on the back end. It's not like too heavy of, not very heavy of the cream sickle of it all. I like it. It's good. I have 3 drinks right now and that's on ADHD. I have my poppy, I have my espresso martini, and I have my water because I can't have sparkling water right now because of acid reflux, so I'm drinking still. Think of me in my time of need.